The star that fell to earth. One night, I was lying on the grass in my backyard, looking up at the sky. The stars were bright and beautiful, twinkling like tiny diamonds. I closed my eyes for a moment, listening to the soft sounds of the night. Suddenly, a loud whoosh broke the silence. I opened my eyes and saw a bright streak of light in the sky. At first, I thought it was a shooting star, but it didn't disappear. Instead, it kept getting closer and closer until I realized it was falling right into the field near my house. My heart raced as I stood up, wondering if it was safe to go and see. Curiosity won, and I grabbed a flashlight. The field was dark and quiet, except for a faint glow in the distance. As I approached, I saw a small crater in the ground, and inside it was something extraordinary. It wasn't just a rock or a piece of metal. It was a star. The star wasn't like I imagined. It was small, about the size of my hand, and it pulsed softly with golden light. As I reached out, it felt warm, almost like it was alive. "You're beautiful," I whispered, feeling a strange connection to this little piece of the universe. Suddenly, the star flickered and started to hum. I stepped back, worried that I had done something wrong. But then a soft, musical voice filled the air. "Thank you for finding me," it said. I couldn't believe my ears. You can talk?" "Yes," the star replied. "I fell, but I need to go back. Can you help me?" My mind raced. How could I help a star? But I nodded, determined to do my best. Little did I know, this was just the beginning of an incredible adventure.